Okay, today we are solving practice now 6 of chapter 10, Dmaths 1. Here they have given us a diagram. In this diagram, AB is parallel to EF and we have to find the angle B here. Since we have to find this angle B, first we have to draw a parallel line at point C, that is, let me name it H and G. Since it is a parallel to A and B and it is split the point C, let me name these two angles also, that is, let's say M and N. Let me name this angle also, that is, let's say I. First we have to find the angle A. Angle I would be 360 minus 288, as they have given us this angle 288, and then we have to find the remaining angle. Since it is an angle at point, so we have to just subtract it from 360. That is, it will be 132. Angle I will be 132. This angle is 132. Since angle I and angle M are interior angle between the two lines AB and HG, so the sum would be 180, as we know according to the theorem. So now we can easily find out angle M. Angle M is equal to angle M plus angle I is equal to 180 degrees, since they are interior angles, because AB is parallel to HG. Therefore, angle M plus angle I, since we know that is 132 degree, therefore angle M would be 48. Here, since we can see from the above given diagram that this is making a Z here. This transfers with parallel lines between A and FG making a Z. Since angle I and this angle are alternative angle, let me name this angle X and the remaining part of this angle Y. Since they both are alternative angles, therefore angle I is equal to angle X, that is 132 degree. Since angle I is equal to angle X is equal to 132 degree, because they are alternative angles between lines A and AB and HG. Sorry. Now, they have given us another angle at a point, that is 293. We have to draw another line parallel to EF at point D. Let me name it ING. Since and it is splitting this point 293 degree angle, it is splitting it. So let us name these two angles also. Let's say G and H. As we can see that H and this angle FED is also both are interior angles between the lines IJ and EF. So the sum of these two interior angles would be 180 degree. So let us say that angle H plus angle FE and D is equal to 180 degrees, since they are interior angles between line EF is parallel to IJ. So we can easily find angle H from here. That's since we know that angle FED is 32 degree. Angle H is 148 degree. Now we can easily find the remaining part of this angle, because as we know that the complete angle is 293 degree, and we already found out that h is equal to 148 degree. So this angle G will be angle G would be angle G would be 293 minus angle H, that is 148. So angle G is 145. This part of the angle is 145. Since now we can also see that this is making also a Z. Here this transversal is also making a Z. So angle G is an alternative angle of this angle Y. So angle G is equal to angle Y, that is 145 degree. Since angle G and angle Y are alternative angles, so angle Y is equal to angle G, that is 145 degree. Now, since we know that angle B is the sum of angle X and Y, we already found angle X and angle Y. Now we can find angle B very easily. Angle X plus angle Y is equal to angle B. Angle X is equal to 132 and angle Y is equal to 145. So angle B would be 227. This is our required answer.